Tired of project chaos and ready to unlock the power of team collaboration in Asana? Let's dive right into how to invite new members to your Asana workspace. First, locate the left-hand sidebar of your Asana window. Here, you'll see your team's name displayed prominently. Click on your team's name to open the team management options. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for and click on the Invite People button. This is your gateway to expanding your team within Asana. Now, the Invite People dialog box pops up in the email field. Carefully type in the email address of the person you want to invite. You can add multiple email addresses, separating each with a comma or pressing enter after each. Before sending, you might have the option to assign a role to the invitee, such as member or guest. Depending on your Asana plan, choose the appropriate role based on their level of access and responsibilities. Once you've entered the email and assigned the role if applicable, click the Send Invite button. Asana will send an email invitation to the new team member. You can also invite people directly to specific projects. Navigate to the project you want to share. Look for the Share button in the project header, typically located near the project name. Click on Share. This opens the Share Project dialog box similar to inviting to the workspace. Enter the email address of the person you want to add to this specific project. Then, click Invite as project member. This grants them access to collaborate specifically within this project without necessarily giving them access to the entire workspace. And that's it. You've successfully invited new members to your Asana workspace and projects, enabling seamless collaboration and efficient onboarding. Now get to work.